One of our favorite tools is our little bitty Kubota 7510 40 horsepower tractor. It has a bucket and a 60-inch mower, and we needed some new tires. So I would have to say that what we learned about the tractor this week is the tractor can jack itself up. We also learned order your own tires from Amazon. The other thing we learned is price check tire mounting. $35 at one place, $10 at another. Well, the number one consideration in replacing these front tires probably should have been cost and capability, because you want to get the type of tire that is best for where you are operating your tractor. For us, the number one question was how fast could we get it and what size did we need? We contacted our local tractor company and turned out that the tires were going to be about $150 each, and there are two of them and you need to replace both of them at the same time, and then having them mounted in town was going to be about $35 each. So we were looking at a total of almost $400 to replace the two tires. We decided to check on Amazon, and we ended up with some Carlisle tires for $237 delivered to the door, and shopped around in town and found out we could get them mounted for $10 each. So that brought our total up to about $260, a savings of about $140. So take a little bit of time, do your research, and there are better deals out there, and it's going to be the same amount of work no matter which way you go. In case you're wondering how we jacked the tractor up, if you watch this clip and just think about it in reverse, that's how we did it. We put some really big solid blocks underneath the frame, and then we used two jack stands, and you have to be careful because the tractor moves back a little bit as you lower down onto it, so you have to kind of practice and position them. And here I am trotting around getting them out from underneath there, hands free and clear. Of course, the tractor's perfectly stable. It's held up by the bucket at this point, and then you simply lower it down. Makes it pretty easy to do your own work. I hope you found this information useful, or if nothing else, slightly entertaining. That's the skip behind us, the big dumpster where we're putting all of the debris from the houseboat, and I think we've got something coming up where we're going to be putting a auger on the 3-point PTO on the back to do some drilling of post holes for some friends. So subscribe and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.